Hello guys, my name is Michael Park, and this time we'll cover Ontology of Artificial Intelligence and other questions. So why AI artificial intelligence exists? Using Lincoln's famous quote, it is because we want to solve human questions of human by artificial intelligence which is created by human in order to benefit human, for human. So these three phrase of human, by human, for human can be used for defining why AI exists. And other questions, which one do you think is true? And which one should be true? How the gap between these two affects decision making? And can we name this as like a certain gap like that? So that is the second question. And essence, constituents, form, and function. Is essence identical to constituent or form or function? Do you think essence is different from the other three, constituent, form, or function? Next, there are three directions of sustainability: increase, stable, decrease. We want to slow our climate change. We want stable prices, whereas we want higher wage. So clash. Farmers want more profits, but urban residents want stable prices of rice, fruits, vegetables, and so on. So can you say these two is compatible or not? Next, sustainability can be calculated as resilience can be divided by speed and scale of change. So resilience divided by speed and scale of change. And next, stages of sustainability. I wrote this as I wrote medical service as an example. First, we should have better access. Hospital should be located near to our village or home. Second, affordability. The price of medical service should be affordable in relation to money I have. And third, stability, availability, and continuity. The quality is stable, it is available daily, and the hospital do not go out of business. So these are the stages of sustainability. Next, Water A defines sustainability as lasting benefits by continued water services. So cause is continued water service, and effect is lasting benefits. I want to ask one question is that do other sustainable development goals define sustainability in a different way? So these are the questions I wanted to raise, and see you next time. Bye.